Guys, welcome back to my channel Tech to Audio. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the Yidome camera 1080p. It's a camera that's really good value at the moment. It's around £30 in the UK. It's a couple of years old, the model now, but it still gets very good reviews. So I'm going to crack the box open. Let's take a look and see what's inside. And then later on in the video I'll talk a bit more about setting it up and maybe discuss the quality of the footage that it captures. It's quite well packed. So some kind of manual talks about different items that should be in the box: cable, the camera, a base tray, the manual, some screws, adapter, lens, the indicator, microphone and speaker, and then the reset button, micro USB slot, and then micro SD card. So the camera sits on its base and it's got a pan and tilt feature. It can pan 345 degrees on the horizontal axis. As you can see, it can be mounted to a ceiling for security, out of the way. It can also tilt 115 degrees on the vertical axis. It's a little warranty card, I guess. Yeah, warranty, and thank you for choosing Yi. Yi have got themselves a very good reputation now with cameras. And here is the device itself. It feels well made. It's got a nice weight to it, but it's fairly light still. And then we've got the SD card slot, the micro USB, and the reset button. Okay, let's put that to one side. What else is in the box? Okay, USB cable, some mounting screws, and the charging brick, which I'm glad to say, being in the UK, is a UK brick, which is nice to see. We usually end up with a European one or a Chinese one. And there's the mount for the ceiling. And that's it, the box is empty. As you can see, it has 1080p HD recording, two-way audio, wide angle, auto cruise. The auto cruise, I think that's motion detection. If it detects motion in an area that's under surveillance, it will track the motion, as it says here. Night vision, it has infrared night vision. And the camera itself, as well as the SD card slot for storage, you can sign up to Yi Cloud Storage. I think there's 3 tariffs for that. I think there's a basic free one, which I believe gives you, it's recorded 6 seconds of any motion that's detected, and it will store that over 7 days. And then there's 2 further options which are paid for subscriptions, but I think it's probably best if you purchase this camera to have a look into those yourself, because the prices are probably going to change depending on when you view this video. So it's going to be not most accurate if I give you the pricing as it is today. It's a decent length cable, and then there's just the 2 screws. So this is the full contents of the box. Comes with the camera. Okay, in a minute I'm going to download the app and power this camera on, and we'll have a look at how easy that process is. Hi guys, I've powered up the camera and it's now going to be waiting to connect. It will say that in a minute. I've just got to download the app. Here it is on the Play Store. So let's install the app.
Waiting to connect.
Okay, not that long to download. Open it. Okay, just got to go through the registering process. So in the United Kingdom, bear with me. I'll do. So the registered with the created a year account. It's gone through that process. It didn't take too long. It's a matter of registering with them, getting an email and authorising it. So I think
Waiting to connect.
Plus. Okay, so it's an indoor camera. E-dome camera. E-dome camera 1080p. I think that will be the one.
Waiting to connect.
Okay, let's turn the Wi-Fi, log onto the Wi-Fi.
Please face the QR code towards the camera lens. Waiting to connect. QR code scan is successful. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Wi-Fi is connected.
So the camera said Wi-Fi is connected. The app seems to be just taking a little bit longer.
Pairing is successful. You can start using your camera now.
Okay, please enter device name, E-dome camera, that's fine. It's going to go in the kitchen. Finish. Woohoo! We've added 1 month free trial of premium cloud service to your account. Limited storage, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is the cloud storage. As I said earlier, there's one free storage option, and then there's 2 paid for. So this is obviously one of the paid for ones. Let's see what it says. So for the premium, you get unlimited storage for up to 30 days, expert level home security, unlimited clip duration. So I think it's basically continuously videoing. That's not really what I need. So yearly you can buy it, the premium, 5 cameras, standard, entry. So it actually looks like there's more options than I actually realised. So there's this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there doesn't seem to be a free one. So I don't actually want to use any of those. Okay, so we'll have a look actually via the phone. So there we are. You get the idea. It's easy to control. It's fairly decent. Okay, so that's it. If you guys, I got to set this up in my kitchen, and if you guys want to have any more footage of that it's actually recorded onto SD card, let me know in the comments section. I'll come back and update this video if I have any other problems, but it's these things are pretty foolproof now, these cameras. The app's on the phone. It has the option of cloud storage if that's useful for you. The quality's fairly good. It has options for two-way communication. It has a built-in microphone, built-in speaker. It has night vision. It has tracking features. Don't know whether, let's see what the focus is like. yeah. Okay, let me know if you have a follow-up video on it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.